for the checkout, which means you want to get the reports of the checkout. That means the items that have been given back to the customers from so date. So let's check from in this month, beginning of March to ending of March. Let's check the amount of items that have been given out. You can see the details. This is the item type, the item invoice number, the customer name, the employee that checked them out, the month and the particular date. So with this report, you will be able to know if the customer has been giving out their clothes. You will know whether you still have any of their clothes with you. So you can see the total, which is 6. You can also modify the date. So still bring the same number of results. Under the account, you can know the amount of money that entered into the company from so date to another date. So you can see, so also groups according to what invoice number and customer name. So with this we can know the total of the money that entered, the total money that was realized, total that has been paid, and the balance. So